In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for inventory management. Airtable is an incredibly powerful tool that combines the simplicity of a spreadsheet with the functionality of a database. It's perfect for keeping track of your inventory, whether you're managing the stock for a small business or organizing supplies for a larger operation. Today, we'll walk through setting up an inventory management system using Airtable, step by step. First, you'll want to open up Airtable in your web browser, where you're greeted by your workspace. Now, take a moment to navigate to the Templates and Apps section. This is where Airtable keeps a collection of ready-to-use templates that can expedite your setup process. In the search bar at the upper right, type in Inventory Management. This will help you quickly find the pre-designed template. Airtable offers for streamlining your inventory tracking. When the search results load, look for the one labeled Inventory Management. This pre-made template is designed to incorporate all the necessary fields and layouts tailored for handling inventory, which means it will save you a lot of setup time compared to starting from scratch. Go ahead and click on the Inventory Management option to access more details about what this template offers. A new window will open, giving you an overview of the template and its capabilities. Take a moment to look through this information, as it provides a sneak peek into what your inventory management system might look like after it's fully set up. Once you're ready, find the button that says Try this template. Click on this, and Airtable will automatically generate a fresh base for you, using this inventory template tailored to fit the needs of inventory tracking. Now that the template has been loaded into your workspace, you can start customizing it to suit your specific needs. You may want to adjust fields, add categories, or input current stock levels. Remember, Airtable allows for a lot of flexibility, so don't hesitate to make modifications where necessary. This feature makes your database even more aligned with your particular business operations. As you begin to enter your inventory data, consider adding descriptors such as item name, SKU numbers, quantities, supplier information, and price per unit. These fields will help you gain comprehensive insights into your stock levels and ensure you never run out of critical items. Congratulations, you now have the foundation of a solid inventory management system in Airtable. Experiment with adding attachments or linking tables together for even more robust data management. Keep in mind, the real power of Airtable comes from its ability to adapt to your unique workflows. So feel free to explore further features and customize your base as your inventory management needs evolve. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you achieve efficient inventory management with Airtable. Feel free to explore more of its features and see how it can aid various aspects of your business operations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy organizing!